Hello and welcome to the next video in my Einstein Prediction Builder series. The focus of this video will be on the Einstein Next Best Action functionality and the new Strategy Builder tool. In this video, you'll learn what it takes to implement a next best action strategy. The goal is to use the Strategy Builder tool to assign recommendations based on prediction results achieved with the Einstein Prediction Builder. In preparation, you'll need to first build the prediction model and decide on and input some recommendations. Just a quick review of the type of problems that Einstein Prediction Builder can solve. Einstein predictions are intended for two main purposes: to make a binary yes or no prediction or a numerical prediction. Questions like, what is the likelihood of delivery will be on time? Or what is the probability a customer will join a loyalty program? Are examples of a yes-no question. Binary predictions are fully supported by Salesforce, and these yes-no questions are the type of questions you'll be wanting to use for a next best action strategy implementation. Building a prediction model, reviewing it, and enabling it has been the focus of several YouTube videos in my series. If you want more detailed information on how to use the Einstein Prediction Builder, please take a look at some of those videos. I'll include the links to the playlist. You'll notice that after building the prediction model in Prediction Builder, there are many things you can do with the results. One of the things you can do is to use the results in a next best action strategy, which is what we'll take a look at now. In order to create a next best action strategy, you'll first have to decide on the possible actions you're planning to offer your customers as an incentive. You might consider coupons or discounts, or perhaps access to exclusive package deals. Along with the recommendation name and description, you'll need to input the response options for an acceptance and for a rejection. And adding an action such as joining a loyalty program to the recommendations object will launch a lightning flow action. Just remember that when you're done with creating the lightning flow, you'll need to set that flow to active, or you won't be able to surface the recommendation in the next step. For putting together a next best action strategy, you'll want to create multiple recommendations so you'll have different options to offer customers based on the predictions made for each of the customers. Once you've selected the Next Best Action New Strategies option in the object where the recommendation will be displayed, you'll gain access to the Strategy Builder tool, which is a point-and-click automation tool. There are many considerations to keep in mind when using the new tool, and it is important to note that you can use any object records and convert them into recommendations. You'll load the new strategy recommendation elements and then add the Einstein Next Best Action component to the contact record page if you haven't already done so, making sure to display only one recommendation per record page. Creating recommendations without overlap between categories is the best way to ensure that only one recommendation per page is applicable. If you'd like to get hands-on with the Einstein Next Best Action, there's a new Trailhead project that can be completed in just over an hour, and there is some great information in the online Salesforce documentation. I'll include those URLs for you. However you decide to productionize the results, you can use Einstein's predictions to work smarter by focusing your efforts on making decisions and taking care of your customers, while Einstein does the heavy lifting on the data science side of things. Hopefully, this introduction to the Einstein Next Best Action strategies has sparked some ideas on how you can use the new Strategy Builder tool to blaze a trail with Einstein Prediction Builder. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn or Twitter.